There's two things that people want in their roof. One is they want the material put on properly so that they don't have to worry about any leaks or anything like that. And then they want it to look nice. It should complement your home. If you're doing something with roofing that sometimes is once every 30 years, when you pull on a driveway, you want it to complement your home. So they have a great selection of colors. They have a great selection of styles. As we like to do, just like in the Olympics, we like to go gold, silver, and bronze. All three of those are great products. And we have different price points and different products that we can put on that will complement your home.
Being a roofer, people think that you just do the roofing, but us being full service remodelers, we're not only looking at the roofing situation, but we're looking at attic ventilation and insulation. Can you talk a little bit about some of the products that are related to roofing that people might not think about?
I'd love to. In fact, it's getting to the point where it's very difficult to give a thorough roof estimate without getting in an attic. Before 20 years ago, that wasn't the case. 20 years ago, if you tore a roof off and the house had 3 vents, you put 3 vents back on. And things have continued to move forward in building, and we learn more, and ventilation and insulation is so important. And all those come into play with the roofing system that you pick out. And one of the reasons why we've chosen CertainTeed and we continue to use CertainTeed is that they have a full system. They have a system of starter shingle, they have underlayment, they have the shingles themselves, they have the hip and ridge, they have the ridge vent, and then if you go inside the attic, they have blown in insulation. So we could take care of all that with using one manufacturer, and what we know is that it's all high quality product, and all those working together is a roofing system. It's not a roof job anymore, it's a roofing system, and you have to take a look at all those. Ventilation and insulation is something that's become really key. High energy costs that fluctuate, but I think they're going to be on the high side coming into this winter. We definitely want to make sure that we're properly insulated and ventilated. The other thing that was been noting, a lot of times as people buy and sell homes, these inspections are becoming more and more thorough. And one of the things that we're seeing is what's going on with your bathroom vents. In the old days, they used to vent those sometimes into the attic, or sometimes they would just put them in the soffit. That's completely the wrong way to do it. We make sure that we use the Brown vents so that those are going to the atmosphere. All that together is an effort to make sure that you get the proper amount of years out of your shingle and out of your roofing process, but that your home is actually working the way that it was engineered and designed to work. Certifications matter, and you have to know what a certification is, and there are several certifications that we've attained, and it was a goal, and in 2010 we became shingle masters, and we're shingle wizards as well, and there's different certifications that allows us to offer warranties, and I can't spend enough time talking about warranties, and everyone thinks because they're under warranty that everything's covered. That very rarely is that the case. I mean, the devil is in the details when it comes to warranty. CertainTeed has a great warranty, and being a shingle master allows us to offer certain warranties that the average company can't offer.